Hi, today I will show you how to use Docker in Windows operating system. I have Windows 11 installed, so I will show you how to install Docker in Windows 11. First of all, what you need to do, you have to go to Docker website in the docs.docker.com. Under the install, you will have to choose Windows submenu and then choose Docker desktop for Windows x86_64. Click on this and this will start your installer to download. But I will cancel this because I have already installed and downloaded actually. So after downloading the installer, you should go to your directory and double click the installer and then follow the wizard. So you will see your system requirements and the installation step, how to install Docker in Windows. But here there is a tip given, so you can use Hyper-V or WSL since Windows 11 actually has built-in WSL installed, which is called Windows Subsystems for Linux. So I don't have to install WSL manually. But I have already enabled Hyper-V. So to enable Hyper-V, you can go to Control Panel and go to Programs and Features, turn Windows features on or off and enable the Hyper-V from here. Then click on OK. Then if the operating system demands restarts, then you will restart so that the changes becomes effective. But here there is a tip. If you use Windows 11, the WSL already installed with Windows 11, which is Windows subsystem for Linux. So you can use either Hyper-V or WSL to start your Docker. And after I will show you the WSL here. So this is the WSL, and after that you can go to any directory /mnt/d/learning/ okay, this is the directory, and here you can create your files. You can work with actually Kubernetes, because the Docker desktop comes with Kubernetes features as well. So if you go to setting, there is a Kubernetes, and you can enable clusters, and you can enable Kubernetes and create cluster. Here there will be an option to create a cluster. So I will stop this. For example, if you go to Kubernetes, if you disable this, apply, it is stopping the cluster. It is, you can enable the cluster, enable the Kubernetes and apply, and install cluster. It is preparing the nodes. Starting control plane. Installing networking interfaces. all the required things that are needed for a cluster is actually starting. So Docker cluster successfully started. So you have now the Kubernetes cluster. So you can actually go to your WSL, then you can kubectl, get nodes. You can see that your nodes is running, and now you can create pods and other things for your cluster, for your Kubernetes cluster, and start working on that. And for Kubernetes, for the Docker, if you need to check, you can go to command prompt and see Docker V, and Docker version is installed.